What's going on, guys? Just beginning of a wonderful day, so thought I'd record a small little intro, show you what's going on, plans for today's day and what I'm going to be doing today. So today's great. Hang on, compressor off. So anyways, the previous video I got the interior wrapped up on this, so couldn't put the bed back on until I got the filler neck situation figured out. So what I did was show you. I bought a filler neck housing for a 2011 Dodge Ram megacab, and it looks like this. No def, no nothing, no hole for the def. So basically drilled a little hole right there, and I'm gonna adjacent the old filler neck to that hole. So got everything else deleted on it since we don't have def anymore. Basically the filler neck is just gonna go through here, through that hole, and I'm gonna kind of like made a little elongated hole right there, and gonna put a little bolt through it with a little nut, and it's gonna hold it real tight. So stay tuned. Today's final assembly day. Yay. It's getting hot today. It's gonna be a high of 86, so which is nice finally for spring. So now I'm just gonna I already got the bed out, and as you can see right there, I already got the bed out of the paint booth. So now I'm just gonna set up the tripod and load it on the truck for the last time. So yay. So I found a small little issue with the truck. I have a light on for a rear driver's side wheel speed sensor, or the ABS sensor. It's the same thing. And it's easier to install it while the cab is off. So I'm gonna go and run to the dealership real quick and get a new sensor and install it while the cab is off. Not the cab, but the bed. And hopefully that'll fix it, and then I can throw the bed on. The new sensor installed, everything is good to go, and it seems like the light's already gone, but I'm gonna remove it with my scanner tool anyway, so there's no pending fault codes. So, and then we'll start the truck and make sure that the ABS and traction light's off. So, clearing. Good. I also got a new module for this thing, so we gotta swap out the airbag module, and we should be in business. So yep, everything is cleared. A-okay. Let's start this thing. No check engine lights, no fault codes. Just got that airbag light on, and I got a battery light on. I'm not happy about that, but maybe it's just a set of bad batteries because they keep dying on me. So, battery low voltage. Now that little thing is out of the way, now we're back to our regularly scheduled programming, installing the bed. Finally got the bed on. Now it's starting to look like a truck. Just need to do some minor adjustments on the bed spacing, but now I can do the rest of it. So throw the tail lights on, the bumper on, and start putting this thing back together. Kind of wanted to drive it home today, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So still got a ton of work left to do on this thing. But so far, very excited. Coming along great. I got the re-rent pretty much wrapped up. Everything looks very, very nice. I'm very happy with how everything came out. The bumper matches perfectly. All the badges are on. Looks good. I just need to readjust the bed a little bit and put the fender liners in and then move on to the front end. Maybe I'll even get to drive this thing home today. Who knows? Looks very promising. That's for sure.
Many unbearable hours later.